One of the challenge Caribbean national face with remote work or receiving payments globally is getting a US bank account. Now the Sendana platform has basically solved this problem. Within under 10 minutes, you'll be able to have your US bank account that you can use to receive payments. So with that said, let's get right into it. Now it's important to know that the fees that are associated with Sendana. Now let's scroll down and look at the fees for cards. For the transaction fee, it's 1.5% and ATM withdrawal is $1 and 0.65%. Now for virtual US accounts, when receiving ACH transfers, it's $1.25%, it's 0.125%. And for withdrawal to bank card, now this feature is not available as yet. It's $2.50 and additional 1.5%. Now withdrawal to MoneyGram is $1 plus 1%. It's important to note that MoneyGram charges its own fee starting at $2 at the point of cash pickup. So you want to head over to sendana.com. The link will be in the description of the video. Here I'm just going to select create an account, select login or sign up. Here you can provide your email address or you can use your Google account. I'll be using my Google account. Here I'm just going to select continue. Now I am successfully logged in. Now to create your US account, go ahead and select virtual US account. Complete the verification, select accept, begin the process to verify your account. So here you need to provide some basic information, a government ID, and then a selfie of yourself. So I'm going to be completing the basic information. What country do you currently live? Select what best apply. Complete your personal information and then select continue. Next step, provide your government ID. Select your ID type from the list. So here, if you're using your laptop and you want to use your cell phone to take the picture, you can go ahead and select continue on other device. Scan the QR code with the phone that you want to use to continue with. Once you take the picture on your phone, it will be saying verifying ID, and then once your government ID is verified, you can go ahead and select continue on this device. Again, that's if you're using the laptop. Then go ahead and select selfie. So again, you can continue on other device or you can use your laptop to proceed if you have a good camera. Now once your verification is complete, you'll see 3 ticks on your phone. So just go ahead and select continue on device. So here I'm just going to continue again. Go ahead and select next. Here I'm going to select continue. Here you need to provide the source of funds. Select what best applies. I'm just going to say savings. Select what best apply to you in terms of your occupation. And then select your employment status. Then go ahead and select continue. What is the expected primary usage of your account? So let's say you receive payment for freelancing. How much do you expect to send and receive each month in terms of US? Select what best applies to you. Are you receiving or sending funds on behalf of someone other than yourself? Select what best applies. In my case, I'm just receiving funds for myself. Then go ahead and select submit. Here, select done to continue. Once you're done, your application will be submitted to be verified. Then you're going to be looking out for an email from them. So I just received the email that my Sendana account is approved, and that took about 5 minutes. Let's go back to the account. I'm still not signed out, so probably less than 5 minutes. So once I go back to the option that says virtual US account, I now have the option to create my US account. So just go ahead and select create US account in your case. So this is your account details. Note, it's important to note that only send USD to this account. Funds will be automatically converted to USDC and deposited to your wallet. Processing may take 1 to 3 business days. Now, this is the easiest option available for you to get a US bank account other than Payoneer. I've went ahead and linked my US bank account to my PayPal and made a withdrawal to my account. Here you can see the deposit. It was converted to USDC and it shows the equivalent in JMD. You can send money to individuals on Sendana by hitting send, providing their email address, and then just go ahead and select continue, right? So I have like $4, but I do not have anyone to send money to, but once you provide your email address, you should be able to continue and send the money to them. Note, Transfers to Sendana account is always free and the person must already have a Sendana account. So don't send it to a random email address that they don't have an account associated with. Now to withdraw, you have the withdraw option here. You can withdraw and collect your money at MoneyGram, or when this feature is available, you can send money to your bank account. And once you're sending money to your bank account using a Visa or MasterCard, the money will be available within minutes. So here they say it's 15 to 30 minutes. Typically based on experience, you literally get the money within a minute or two. It's also important to note that you can receive crypto, but only from other wallets that are on the Stellar blockchain. And that's just about it for Sendana. And as this company evolves, you can look out for more new and advanced feature and even a mobile app in the future. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video with a friend who you think can benefit.